Alright, here we are with another ductwork, piece of ductwork that we're going to clean at this house. And this is a return. Return's always worse than the feed lines in your house, especially if you have pets, kids, stuff like that, or returns that are close to the floor like this. So I'm going to go ahead and hop out and I'll show you what comes out in the filter. Okay, so you can already see a bunch of stuff there. This is all stuff coming in here. Getting quite the hairball in here. This is all some garbage, some hair. This is pet dander, dead skin. There's drywall bits in there. There's bits of construction debris in there. All kinds of stuff, and that's why we use this box to filter out all that heavy stuff first. And then it goes into our truck. So our truck here is run off the V8 of the van. So it's not like a lawnmower motor like a lot of the other companies are running. But yeah, so this line comes out of the house, gets filtered, and then that air goes into the machine. So if you need your air ducts cleaned, just give us a call, 814-547-1848, or you can book online or check us out or see some videos at whencleancounts.com. Thanks.